Hi students, welcome back to this IT tutorial. Once again we meet Kim. However, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to collaborate between Wordpad and Microsoft Paint. So, make sure that you prepare your mouse already on your laptop. For example, if you don't have laptop, you can use your computer. Alright, in this video, I recommend you to use Wordpad instead of the other typing software, because the only feature that has the collaboration between Microsoft Paint is only Microsoft Wordpad. So, if you have Windows 7 or Windows 8, I'm going to show you how to access Wordpad. Alright, let's start. So here we are going to open the Google Classroom first to check out what is our assignment. Alright, click grade 1 and then access the classwork button, and after that information technology, and let's find mid 12 write story and draw. There are the instructions you need to read first. Alright, so this is the preview of the work that we have to do. So these are the texts that we need to follow, while the picture is up to us. Yeah. Open Wordpad and then click it. So this is how to open Wordpad in Microsoft Windows 10. However, this is in Windows 7. Click Start and then click All Programs and find Accessories. Yep. And then you'll find Wordpad. Okay, that is how to open in Windows 7. Now it's in Windows 8. Just click Start and then click Search button and then type Wordpad and then click it. So after you're done, then maximize it. I will change to Windows 10. Alright, let's open the Word first. Okay, Michael Bus. We are going to write the title first. So we write Michael Bus. Then, we need to make it bold. So we are going to bold it. Click first and then select. Then click bold. And after that, there is something interesting in this. There are 3 alignments that we have been learned. Left, middle, right. This is middle, this is right. Left, middle, right. Title, we will put it in the middle and then press enter to give line break. And then one day there was a job given by my teacher. Okay, let's type this one. One day there was a job given by my teacher. Dot at the end of the sentence. And then we select it. Since this is bold, we are going to inactive it. Yeah, now it looks normal. Yeah? And we put in the left because this is story, not title. And after that, the job to create. Alright, the job was to create a cool bus. Alright, don't forget the dot. And then when the teacher asked that, my head was full of ideas. Alright, it's easy. Space. When the teacher asked that, my head was full of ideas. Dot, remember? And what was next? I was so excited, so after school I made a drawing of my school bus. Okay, let's do this. I was so excited. Dot. And then so after that, so after school I made the drawing of my cool bus. Now, this is the things that we will use for collaboration. But before that, you need to presenter to give line break, and then that paint button. So we will use that, and then we are able to drag the window, to view whether it is synchronized or not. So sorry, we are going to enlarge the media size, and then vertical. We see that look, it's updated. So we are going to maximize it. We are going to zoom, and let's make bus. I'm going to change the size first, and then by using rectangle tool. I think in here I'm going to be a little bit fast because it's up to you, the drawing, Okay, do it like that, and then I'm going to erase the inside. Alright, so the window, second the door, the other windows, and of course to make it cool, I'm going to place some wings there. Looks like a racing bus. And then, the lamp. Alright, inside the wheel. A little bit. We need to do this one carefully. I think I'm going to zoom in because I can't still move it. Alright, there it is. Now I can move it. Okay, zoom out, and then giving color, but we need to look first whether it is updated. Oh, look at that, our bus is already synchronized with the Wordpad. So we are going to give colors, right? Orange and the dark blue, and the wheel gray. After done with the coloring, and then we are going to save it. You can use this saving icon or update document. We click it and then close it. And after that, wait, what? Where's the wing? It's fine. Okay, so these are the cool bus and the story, and you can put in the middle, put on the right, middle, left. It's up to you. And then let's save it. We are done. Alright, save as, save visual, and remember where the folder you need to store it. Test folder, grade 1, and then aside story, cool bus. With your name. In here I'm using jazz. And then after that, just save it. Alright, it's done. Now close. We go back to the Google Classroom and then click the title. We are going to submit it. Add this one with, and then file, then browse it. We are going to look at our file. It is on documents, task folder, grade 1, and there it is. Sorry, Cobas Jazz. Look, that's the file, and then click open, and we will wait the loading. Okay, it's done. After you're done, and then turn in, and after that, click turn in. And then add comments to notice your teacher. I need to get done with this check. Okay, pause it. Alright, so that's it. It's easy, right? I hope you can do this artwork with yourself, okay? So, after you're done, don't forget to save it and upload it into the Google Classroom post. Make sure that you also turn it in, because if not, you will be marked as a missing assignment. So, students, I think that's all for this video, and I wish you the best luck. So, see you on the next video tutorial, and God bless you.